Close your eyes and imagine a world where the walls of your living room simply dissolve. 1 second, you're sitting on your couch in a rainy suburb, and the next, you're standing on the edge of a Martian crater, feeling the scale of the universe in a way that feels terrifyingly real. For years, VR has been a cool toy. A headset you put on for 20 minutes until your neck hurts or the pixels give you a headache. But something has changed. Deep inside Meta's reality labs, the rules of physics and computing are being rewritten. The Meta Quest 3 was a breakthrough, but the Quest 4? The Quest 4 is a takeover. We are talking about a device that doesn't just compete with the Apple Vision Pro. It aims to make it irrelevant. Today, we are breaking down the leaks, the 2-nanometer silicon, the puffin prototypes, and the neural interface that will change how you interact with the world forever. If you think you know what mixed reality is, you aren't prepared for what's coming. Let's be honest. The biggest problem with VR has always been the brick on your face. It's heavy, it's bulky, and it ruins the immersion. With the Quest 4, Meta is reportedly moving toward a modular architecture. Rumors and leaked renders of the Phoenix and Puffin prototypes suggest a radical shift. Imagine a headset so thin it looks like high-tech ski goggles, while the brain and the battery are moved to a small, sleek external puck that clips onto your waistband. By offloading the heat and the weight from your forehead, Meta is solving the comfort crisis that has plagued VR for a decade. This isn't just about weight, it's about balance. A 50-50 weight distribution means you can wear the Quest 4 for 8 hours straight, making it a true laptop replacement for the first time in history. Now let's talk about what your eyes will see. The Quest 3 brought us Pancake lenses, but the Quest 4 is rumored to debut Super Pancake optics with Micro-OLED technology. We are looking at a jump to 3.2K resolution per eye. But the numbers don't tell the whole story. The real magic is dynamic foveated rendering, powered by advanced eye tracking. The headset knows exactly where you're looking and pours all its processing power into that specific spot, just like the human eye. This allows for graphics that rivals a high-end gaming PC, running natively on a mobile chip. Black levels will finally be true black, colors will pop with HDR intensity, and that annoying screen door effect. It's officially dead. When you read text in the Quest 4, it will look as sharp as a printed physical book. Under the hood, the Quest 4 will be powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon XR3 Gen 3. Built on a cutting-edge 3-nanometer or even 2-nanometer process, this chip is a beast designed for one thing: spatial AI. We are talking about a 2.5x increase in GPU performance over the Quest 3. This power isn't just for gaming, it's for scene understanding. The Quest 4 will feature a dedicated neural processing unit that maps your room in real time with centimeter-level precision. It will recognize objects, your desk, your coffee mug, your cat, and allow digital elements to interact with them flawlessly. Imagine a virtual character that doesn't just stand in your room, but actually sits on your actual chair and hides behind your actual sofa. This level of environmental occlusion is what separates mixed reality from magic. The most controversial leak about the Quest 4: it might not ship with controllers. Meta is betting everything on the neural wristband. Using EMG, electromyography, the wristband reads the electrical signals from your brain to your hand. You don't even have to move your fingers. You just think about clicking, and the headset registers the input. This is the neural interface Mark Zuckerberg has been teasing for years. For the hardcore gamers, Meta will likely offer Pro controllers separately, but for the average user, your hands and your mind will be the only tools you need. This makes the device infinitely more portable and social. You can use it on a plane, in a coffee shop, or at the office without looking like you're fighting invisible ninjas. Sound is 50% of the immersion, and the Quest 4 is taking it to a clinical level. We are hearing about acoustic mapping. The headset's microphones will ping the room to understand the materials around you. If you're in a tiled bathroom, the audio will have a natural reverb. If you're in a carpeted bedroom, it will sound damp. This, combined with Codec Avatars 2.0, will make social interaction feel hauntingly real. When you talk to a friend in Horizon OS, their avatar won't look like a cartoon. It will be a photorealistic 3D representation of them, with eye tracking and facial expressions that mirror their real emotions in real time. This is the presence that Meta has spent billions to achieve. In the USA, the conversation always comes down to value. Apple's Vision Pro 2 is expected to cost upwards of $3,000. Meta is strategically positioning the Quest 4 as the headset for everyone. The premium Pismo High model is rumored to sit around $799, while a Pismo Low, or Quest 4S model could hit that sweet spot of $499. By offering 90% of the Vision Pro's features at 25% of the price, Meta is looking to completely dominate the market. This isn't just a gadget, it's Meta's iPhone moment. They want the Quest 4 to be the device that finally kills the traditional monitor and the traditional TV. Meta Quest 4 represents the moment VR stops being an alternative and starts being the standard. It's thinner, faster, and smarter than anything we've ever seen. It bridges the gap between our physical world and the digital infinite. The leaks point to a late 2026 or early 2027 release, and the hype is justified. We are moving toward a future where you are no longer limits what you can do. The question isn't whether you're ready for the Quest 4. The question is, are you ready to leave reality behind? Make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications, because as soon as the first official dev kits land, we'll be the first to show you what the future actually looks like. Thanks for watching, and stay immersed.